gear terminology and the nomenclature. Gear nomenclature. Gear nomenclature is understanding gear terminology and design's principles is crucial. This presentation will cover key concepts. We will explore different gear types and their specific nomenclature. Get ready to improve your mechanical engineering vocabulary. Gear terminology and nomenclature refers to the specific vocabulary used to describe the different parts of this characteristic of a gear, including terms like pitch circle, module, pressure angle, and number of teeth, addendum, dedendum, backflash, and the gear ratio, which are used to define and measure the size of the tooth profile and functionality of a gear within a gear train. Introduction to the gear nomenclature. So what is this? Gear nomenclature is standardized terms. It is described to the different parts of a gear. Accuracy in design and manufacturing is ensured. Clear communication is made possible. Automobiles, industrial machines, and robotics relying on it. Accuracy. Accuracy ensures precision in design manufacturing processes. Communication helps engineers communicate clearly about gears. Crucial role plays a crucial role in mechanical systems. Basic gear terminology. So what is the basic gear terminology? In the several key terms defines gear parameters. The pitch circles represents effective meshing. Addendum is the radial distance to the tooth top and the dedendum goes to the tooth root. The pressures angles affect smooth operation. In a gear terminology, key terms include pitch circles, pitch diameter, module, circular pitch, and diametral pitch, addendum, dedendum, backflash, pinion gear, and the wheel pressures angle in the tooth profile. Where the pitch circles is an imaginary circle on a gear used to measure the key parameters, and the pinion refers to the smaller gear in the pair when meshing with a larger gear or wheel. Pitch circle is an imaginary circle where gears mesh. Addendum is a distance from a pitch circle to the tooth top. The addendum is the distance from a pitch circle to the tooth root. And the pressure angle is an angle between line of an action and tangent. And this is the example of a procedure of what we talk about in the basic gear terminology. The procedure of a pitch circle, addendum, dedendum to pressure angle. We talk about the basic gear terminology, the gear terminology and nomenclature. In the context of a gear, nomenclature refers to the specific terminology used to identify and describes the different parts and features of a gear, including terms like pitch circles, addendum, dedendum, pressure angle, tooth thickness, and base circle, which are used to precisely define the geometry and function of a gear tooth and its interaction with other gears. Gear relationship. So what is the gear relationship? It refers to the defined rational ratio between two gears, essentially describing how much one gear will rotate relative to another when they are meshed together, typically determined by the number of teeth on each gear, with a larger gear rotating slower than a smaller gear. When connected in a gear train, it essentially defines how their movements is linked and the speed difference between them. That's all the topic upon gear terminology and nomenclature. I hope you learn it, and thank you for listening. My name is Justin Docot of Good Mechanical 2A. Thank you.